Hello and welcome to this Akeneo webinar. Today's topic is the Criteo Connector Bundle. I'm Geoffrey Comte, Project Director at D&D Agency, and I'm with Benjamin, Akeneo developer at D&D Agency 2. We will begin with a quick presentation of our web agency, then we will introduce the Criteo Connector Bundle, its functionalities and why it could be useful to spread your data from your Akeneo PIM to Criteo. D&D was founded in 2004 by the Didier brothers. We are 100% independent. We are experts in the creation of ecosystem e-commerce since 2008. We are the first gold Akeneo partner in the world. We are also silver Magento partner, and most of our team is certified. We are the first partner silver Eurocommerce in France. All our developments are made within our agency. We do not make subcontract or offshore. Our agency is one of the biggest contributors to the marketplace with 4 bundles. We initially developed Pimgento, which is the official connector between Akeneo and Magento 1. Then we declined it in version 2 to connect Akeneo and Magento 2. Then we developed the Criteo Connector Bundle. Currently, it is only connector between Akeneo and Criteo in the market. Then our last contribution was made to connect Akeneo and Google Shopping. It is also the only connector between Akeneo and Google Shopping on the market. I will now let Benjamin explaining what is Criteo and presenting the connector.
So, what is Criteo? Criteo is a diffusion tool for personalized banner ads for computer, social media, and mobile by allowing advertisers to engage their audience and boost their sales. The objective is to increase the conversion rate by suggesting the user recommendation of products and get new clients thanks to Criteo prediction algorithm. Today, we are going to introduce you the D&D Criteo Connector Bundle, which is a connector which allows you to export your product data from your Akeneo to Criteo in XML format to optimize the diffusion of your products. The bundle is available on the agent's D&D GitHub and on the Akeneo marketplace. The main functionality allows you to map your product attributes with Criteo required attributes. The bundle is available for Akeneo 1.5, 1.6, and 1.7. This webinar only shows the most recent version of the bundle 1.2 for Akeneo 1.7. To learn more about how to use the bundle in a previous version, we invite you to go to GitHub and select the corresponding tag 1.0 if your Akeneo is in 1.5 and 1.1 if it's in 1.6. We try to make the bundle the simplest, the most flexible, the most complete, and the most efficient. We designed the Criteo Connector Bundle according to 5 principles that we saw were fundamental. First, our bundle is plug and play. We paid close attention to the code and followed the development rules set by Akeneo, Symfony, and PHP. No problem or no collateral damage could occur during the installation of the extension. Second, our bundle is flexible. We added many configurations. No value is hard-coded in the code, so you have the total control on the behavior of your export and you can add your own configuration to it. You can manually or automatically launch the export from Akeneo backoffice, and you can simply let an automatic task export your product. Then our bundle is optimized. Criteo bundle doesn't slow overall performance and others export performance. It allows you to export products according to the criteria chosen according to the language, the channel, and the currency of your PYM. How to install D&D Criteo Connector Bundle? You can install it with Composer by connecting to your server at the root of your Akeneo application, and in your Composer JSON, add the following code depending on your Akeneo PYM version. So agents D&D /Criteo-connector-bundle, and then the tagged version in function of your PIM version. Then you can enter the following command line: composer.far require agents dnd / crypto-connector-bundle. Then you need to enable the bundle in the app kernel file in the register bundle function. And finally, adding the root in the app routing file under the PIM reference data node. We will now proceed to the demonstration of the bundle and the export. You can see that compared to a typical product export, a new tab appeared, Criteo configuration, between general properties and content. In general properties, you must fill in the basic information of your job, like you always do for classic jobs, the file path, for example, the decimal separator, or the date format. You need to put the export file and image at yes if you want to export your image with Criteo. The Criteo configuration tabs contain information about Criteo. In the properties subsections, you must enter the URL of your PIM if you export your image with Criteo. For example, akeneo-version.dev for OK. You also need to put the currency in which you want to export your data. Be careful to select the currency and the channel from which you export your product. In general setting, you can map your product attributes with the attributes required by Criteo. The product ID, the product name, the product description, the product URL, the small and big image, the price, the retail price, and if your product is recommendable or not, and if you desire to include the categories of the product. If you do not want to map between product attributes and required attributes, you can leave blank. However, the more complete the information will be, the easier it will be to provide your information for Criteo. In Content tab, you must fill in the information you want to export according to the channel and the local, like you do with a classic product export. For product filter, we advise you to only export products which have a family, are activated and complete, and are present in at least one category. You can now export your product by clicking the export buttons. Now I will show you a file you want to obtain with a Criteo export. So this is a typical file you have when you export your products with Criteo, with all the information needed. For future evolution of the bundle, we have planned two things. Create an enterprise edition to take the assets in account in the development, and add optional attributes for Criteo in the interface. If you have other ideas to enrich the PIM, you can of course make your own contribution to the bundle by doing a PR on GitHub. We are open to any kind of improvement if this is related to the bundle.